this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the background of an image using the Photoshop software on your PC and your Windows device. So yeah, before you can do anything on the software, on the Photoshop software, you have to create the workspace, which is called Canvas. So yeah, you come here where we have create new, you click on create new. Once you click on create new, you have a new document create like this, where you have to create the size of your canvas. You have to make some settings of on your design. So here you can see this is my recent measurement which I've been using. So here you can see we have with it, we have height, we have resolution. So if you don't want to use a with it, and if you don't want to use pixel, you can use inches, you can use centimeters, you can use millimeters, you can use points, and you can use pixels, just as you want. But I prefer using pixels, which is what I've been using since. So I am already familiar with this, so I prefer using this. So you can see we have the color mode. The color mode, this is the best color mode, the RGB color, and the 8-byte is the best as well. So we have the background color. You can select and you can choose to be transparent. So you can choose the background color to be transparent. We have the color profile. So once you select as you want it, you just click on create, then your canvas is created now. So you can, when I was creating the canvas, when I was creating the workspace, I choose transparent. So you can see the background is colorless. It is not white, it is not black, it is not yellow, it is transparent, it is colorless. This is transparent background. So here the next thing is to import the image you want to remove the background. So you come here where we have the file. Once you click on file, this drop down menu will appear. So you come to place embedded here, you click on it. After clicking on place embedded, the file explorer will open up. So this is the file explorer where you are going to select the image you want to remove the background. So here you select. Once you select, you click on place. Then within some few minutes of loading, the image is now imported into the Photoshop software. So now we have to increase the size. So you can see the dot. The dot are all these dots around the image. You can just use it in increasing the size. So you just come by the side like this. Once your cursor changes from the mouse pointer to the arrow, you just drag. So like this, you drag. And here we have the movement tool. The movement tool, once you select the movement tool, you can move this. You can move this. So just like I've moved this. And here we have the fourth tool. This tool, this is the tool we are going to be using. The first one, the move tool. The second one, we have the rectangular max tool. We have the lasso tool, and this we have the object selection tool. So you can see this object selection tool. So you can just come here. Once you choose the object selection tool, you click on select subject. So you wait for some few minutes of loading. So you can see selected subject. So yeah, you can see the image is now selected. This is the subject. But looking at this, if you should look at this vividly, you can see the money here is not selected. This money is not, the money this lady is holding is not selected. Why? Because the woman is the subject, while the money is an object. So the money is not selected. So to select the money, what you just have to do is to draw a rectangular shape around the money. So you wait a little while, so you can see the money is now selected. So when you're removing a background of anything on Photoshop, this is an hack to removing it. So once you've selected it, you select the subject. Once everything is selected, you just come here, you come here and click on this, and within some few minutes you can see the background is now removed. So you can see there is no background under. So this is just how you can easily remove the background instead of using the eraser tool. This is how you can easily remove the background of any image in the Photoshop software. Please, if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video so that the algorithm can push the video to more interested viewers who may also be interested in knowing how to easily remove the background of an image using Photoshop software. And as well, subscribe and put on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.